Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 4th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So the US dollar yen was probably one of the better trades out of the dollar pairs today. Really nice move. Now, this is exactly what I'm looking for and exactly what I'm talking about in my videos almost daily. We got a Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive down. We got a double, at least a double top at a Fibonacci level. And then we have impulsive down with several breaks of structure, and it was a momentum move too. It wasn't like a rejection of structure. That was a beautiful entry to go short. Higher time frames are definitely still in a downtrend, so that means I'm definitely still looking for shorts. I'm not looking to go short at the bottom of the move, but if and when I see another pullback, another Fibonacci bounce, I definitely will take it as another sorting opportunity for the continuation of the higher time frame downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.